I did the same thing to the passenger side. This is what it's going to look like when it's all finished. Give you guys a closer look. Yep, and then for the torque specs, yeah, you're not going to be able to see that. So the upper ball joint is going to be 65. The lower is going to be 85. The actual axle nut is about 250. Tie rod is 45 pounds. And then for the, I think it's called the caliper bracket bolts. Yeah, I think that's it. But either way, what holds the caliper and brake pads to the fucking hub, these screws right here, is going to be 148 pounds. And yeah, that's it.